Getting out on the trails is always an adventure, and the more you can see, the better. These Paramount Automotive trail doors are going to be a great addition to your ride. These rugged steel trail doors from Paramount Automotive are designed to make your trail riding better. They're engineered for a precise fit and easy to put on for the trail and take off for the road. Crafted from 3mm plate steel, these doors boast an aggressive appearance and structural integrity that puts traditional tube-style doors to shame. The complete kit includes rear-view mirrors, ensuring that you get maximum visibility on the trail. And check this out. These doors feature secure positive latching easy grip door handles. Safety and convenience all in one package. No bones about it. No skeleton key required. And I'm dead serious. Guaranteed to not get under your skin. No body shop required. And it won't cost you an arm and a leg, but it might cost you your entire skeleton. These doors are to die for. They're boned to be wild. Not only are these doors tough, but they look the part. The durable black multi-stage powder coat finish keeps them looking sharp for years. So whether you're hitting the trails or just cruising through town, these Paramount Automotive trail doors are a must-have for any Jeep enthusiast looking for an amazing off-road experience. If you want to know more about the Paramount Automotive trail doors or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.